What's your name and your badge number?
1164 is my badge number.
What's your name?
That's what I'm.
What's your name? You pulled the car over. What's your name?
Okay. I'm just making sure you're okay.
I don't care. I'm asking the questions here. What's your name? I'm asking the questions.
You guys.
Hey, so this is an illegal detainment then, because you don't have any PC to be pulling them over. Reasonable articulable suspicion of a crime or of civil infraction. You don't have any of it. I suggest you get in your cruiser and off, dude.
Okay, look.
Get in your cruiser, shut the f up, and
you got
off.
to me or not?
Off. We were traveling and you stopped us.
Law enforcement officers often engage in fishing expeditions by initiating traffic stops based on arbitrary, suspicious activity or welfare checks. When an auditor stands firm, they can successfully block unauthorized vehicle entry by locking the doors and winding up the windows. The core legal baseline for this automotive privacy is the Fourth Amendment, which declares, "The right of the people to be secure in their persons, houses, papers, and effects against unreasonable searches and seizures shall not be violated." Refusing to cooperate with an unsubstantiated stop prevents fishing officers from manufacturing a crime out of thin air.
Oh shit. Lock the doors. This is gonna be interesting. Fell for the flashlight.
Yep, again. I didn't think they'd actually fall for this.
None too bright. Got a cop over, buddy.
Okay.
Yeah?
You need help?
No?
Do you need help?
Yeah, do you need help?
What is that?
Do you need help?
I'm asking you if you need help.
I'm the one asking the questions here. Do you need help? What's your name and your badge number?
1164 is my badge number.
What's your name?
That's what I'm.
What's your name? You pulled the car over. What's your name?
Officers on a fishing expedition will frequently attempt to extend a routine encounter by demanding identification without a specific traffic violation. In these volatile confrontations, drivers aggressively refuse to provide documentation until the officer can articulate an exact law that was broken. However, the legal standard set in Terry v. Ohio mandates that the police officer must be able to point to specific and articulable facts which, taken together with rational inferences from those facts, reasonably warrant that intrusion. Unless the officer possesses valid, reasonable suspicion of a criminal offense, they lack the legal authority to compel identification during a casual roadblock.
I'm just making sure you're okay.
I don't care. I'm asking the questions here. What's your name? I'm asking the questions here. Give me your name.
It's your policy.
You're a supervisor. Give me your name. Go fuck yourself. What's your name? Huh?
Yep. We're done here. Bye. Move away so you don't get your foot run over. We're done.
It's a bright light.
So what'd you pull me over for? You got a legit reason to hold me here?
Check
then we're done.
welfare?
I thought you said you were leaving.
Well, I'm trying to make sure I don't run your partner over. She's awfully close to getting herself hurt.
I'm gonna get out, dude.
All right, so yeah, get out then.
This is the supervisor, 1548-9. Damn. She's behind you. Yeah. Aha! Did we get a winner?
Yeah.
We got a winner. Lock at the doors. I love it. I love it.
You said pull up. Pull up. Fuck you!
Pull up! Pull up! I don't think you made a legal detainment here. Damn, you got illuminated. Is my back door unlocked here?
No, they're all locked. Back up. Oh yeah.
Go away, we don't want any Girl Scout cookies.
Quit banging on my f***ing glass. What do you want? Elaborate or I leave. Then come over here and talk to me like a f***ing man. No. You didn't have any right to pull me over.
Yeah, this ain't illegal detainment. You better f off.
Not gonna happen.
I can't see. Am I blinding you? Hey, you fell for it, buddy.
Clock's ticking.
No.
So it's consensual. Then I get to go. Bye.
Dude, I can't fucking see.
What? I can drive away? No. So I'm detained? So now you're saying I'm detained? For what? Elaborate. Look at these fucking goons. Let's go. Why am I being detained? You said you were checking on me. You're making this a big problem for yourself. You're gonna be on YouTube. Oh, is that what did it?
A massive point of leverage for a smart auditor is holding public employees strictly accountable to their agency's identification policies. When a supervisor arrives on the scene, the driver immediately demands names and badge numbers rather than answering invasive personal questions. This constitutional expectation of open transparency is rooted in the broader legal framework of the public trust doctrine, which mandates that the public trust resources are managed for the benefit of the public. Forcing overreaching officers to state their credentials shifts the power dynamic and exposes their lack of operational compliance.
I was at the traffic stop over there, and you guys were flashing light over there, so I just want to make sure you guys are good. You guys need any help?
Hey, unlock my window.
Is there a reason flashing lights in traffic?
You seen you guys?
Hey, so this is an illegal detainment then, because you don't have any PC to be pulling them over. Reasonable articulable suspicion of a crime or a civil infraction, you don't have any of it. I suggest you get in your cruiser and off, dude.
Okay, look.
Get in your cruiser, shut the fuck up, and
you got
off.
to me or not?
Off! We were traveling and you
Just
stopped
investigating
us.
Some suspicious activity, okay? You guys are flashing
We're
lights,
traveling and you stopped us. Fuck off, you piece of. Get back in your cruiser and fuck off, dude.
Is his back tire flat? It is. He's got a flat.
Bye, grumpy butt. Bye-bye, grumpy butt. You got a flat tire, loser. Have a good night. I love you. Ta-ta for now.
Is this a sheriff?
Salt River place.
Oh, it is.
I just blew him off right now.
Those are the Indian cops.
You're giving him the craziest look right now.
No turn signal.
No turn signal. You can't pull us over on this road.
I mean, he can. No turn signal.
Roll your windows up, lock your doors.
Hold on, can I update to 28 to Victor George Adams, 16 Frank?
We're gonna find out.
What do you want?
What? For what?
We're speeding.
No.
Speeding?
Yeah.
Driving right next to you? Keeping up with traffic? Everything's on dash cam?
Can I have your ID, please?
For what?
Because you were speeding. What is the speed limit on the freeway here?
What is the speed limit? That's a good question.
Yeah, what is
It's
that?
65.
And what were you doing?
What's that?
Because you were next to me. What were you doing?
I was doing 70.
Oh,
Responding to a call.
no, you weren't.
Yes,
You would have
I
had
was.
lights and sirens on.
Okay. Can I have your ID, please?
Do you have all that on dash cam?
Yes.
You have everything documented. So when we go to court for this, you won't be wasting everyone's
Get that
time.
light out of my face.
You get yours out of my face.
out of our face.
Take the light out of
Get your light out of my face. Why are you acting like a kid? Because I flipped you off?
I'm not going in here arguing. Any weapons in the car?
Don't answer questions.
Any weapons in the car?
You don't answer questions. Where are they coming at?
This side, it looks like.
Mr. Weed, here's your ID back. Your citation's in this envelope with instructions how to take care of it and a court date for you to appear, okay?
All right, make sure you have that dash cam and audio.
Oh, look
Hey, badge number. What's your name and badge numbers? What's your name and badge number? It's policy. You stopped us.
The interaction reaches a decisive conclusion when the auditor firmly asserts their right to drive away from an invalid detention. Once the fishing officers realize they cannot articulate a clear infraction, they are forced to concede the encounter is entirely consensual. This absolute right to remain free from arbitrary government restraint is protected by the 14th Amendment, which commands, "No state shall make or enforce any law which shall abridge the privileges or immunities of citizens of the United States." Documenting the entire failed stop on a dash cam completely demolishes the officer's attempt to abuse their authority.